In November 2022, the world changed forever when a simple white chat box was released to the public. It became the fastest growing app in human history. But less than 4 years later, that chatbot era is officially dead. We have violently accelerated past simple questions and answers into a world of deep reasoning, proactive systems, and fully autonomous AI agents that can control your computer. How did we get here so fast? Welcome back to AI Assistance Plus. Today we are breaking down the entire mind-bending timeline of the AI revolution from the launch of ChatGPT to the agentic reality of 2026. Let's dive in. Phase 1 was about interface. In November 30, 2022, OpenAI quietly dropped ChatGPT running on ChatGPT 3.5. Within just 2 months, 100 million people were using it to write essays, debug basic code, and draft emails. This sparked an immediate tech giant scramble. By early 2023, Google rushed out Bard, and Microsoft poured billions into OpenAI to integrate GPT-4 directly into Bing. Suddenly, open source tech caught fire too, when Meta released Llama, letting everyday developers run massive language models right on their local machines. But the real magic of Phase 1 happened when model stopped being just about text. By late 23, OpenAI fused DALL-E 3 straight into ChatGPT, and by May 2024, the launch of GPT-4o gave in an AI native site, hearing and hyper-realistic voice. We wrapped up 2024 with fundamental shifts in how we search the web, as a platform like Perplexity AI and ChatGPT search began replacing traditional search engines entirely. By 2025, the industry hit a massive wall. Next token prediction, meaning the AI just guessing the very next word based on probability, wasn't enough anymore. The word didn't need chatbots that answered faster. It needed models that could think. Enter test-time compute and reinforcement learning. In early 2025, OpenAI launched the O3 and O4 mini-series, famously contained Strawberry. These models didn't reply instantly. Instead, they generated internal chains of thoughts to map out complex logic, destroying previous benchmarks in STEM, advanced maths, and software engineering. Meanwhile, Anthropic aggressively dominated the developer landscape with Claude 3.5 Sonnet and setting a massive new standard for automated software engineering. By late 2025, context sizes exploded and AI became proactive. Instead of you prompting the AI, features like OpenAI Pulse started analyzing your cross-app data like your Gmail, Slack, and calendars to quietly prepare your day, coordinate your tools, and fix scheduling conflicts before you even open your laptop. Which brings us to right now in 2026, the philosophy of AI has completely shifted. Chatting with an AI is a thing of the past. Today, it's all about autonomous execution. OpenAI completely overhauled ChatGPT, doing away with confusing model numbers for general public. Instead of, they streamlined the system into 3 distinct models: Instant for speed, Thinking for deep logic, and Pro for massive, long-running agent workflows. The defining breakthrough of 2026 is computer use, powered by engines like Claude, Code, and GPT-5.5 Codex. The AI doesn't just sit in browser tab. It can visually look at your actual desktop screen, move the cursor, click buttons, type, and autonomously build or debug the entire software systems directly in your local workspace. Need deep research? You give the AI a single prompt and its deep research agent will browse the web for hours, fact check hundreds of sources, track its own logic, and hand you an exhaustive multi-page industry report. AI is now woven straight into the root of operating system. Apple's next generation Siri AI, powered by Apple Intelligence, possesses complete screen awareness, executing complex actions natively across all your apps. And behind the scenes, the stakes have never been higher, with both OpenAI and Anthropic filing confidential paperwork to go public on Wall Street. The race is no longer just about who has the smartest model. It's about who can build the most profitable autonomous enterprise ecosystems on Earth. We went from text-based ChatGPT in 2022 to fully autonomous digital workers in 2026. The rate of change isn't slowing down, it's compounding. The question isn't about AI can do anymore, it's about you will choose to build with it. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and master this agentic era, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to AI Assistance Plus, and leave a comment down below. Which phase of the AI revolution has surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next breakdown.